Hey guys, we're going to go through our med ball slam, and I'm actually going to give you a couple progressions here before you actually get to the full out slam. So what I like to do first is give my clients a couple sets of 3 to 5 repetitions going up slow, up on the toes, holding for a 2 count, and then exploding down. Okay, so it's going to look something like this. I'm going to probably do this a couple times, so I don't want to kill my grass. Still wet. All right, so you're here, athletic stance. I'm going to come up overhead slow. On my toes a little bit. I'm going to hold for a 2 count and then come down and explode. Okay? Obviously, watch the face. It's your money maker. Don't hurt yourself. Okay? One more time. Let's do it one more time. Athletic stance. Up slow overhead. Within balance. Up on the toes. We want that triple extension. Okay? Hold for a 2 count and then explode down. Okay? See how I caught that at the bottom? If you're using kind of a rubber medicine ball, that's going to come off the ground really fast. Try to catch it or at least stop it with your hands so it doesn't hit you in the head. All right, that's your first drill. Second drill is we're going to go up just like we normally would at full speed or regular speed, and then I want you to hold it at the top. Okay, so you have to slow down and kind of control it and then explode on the way down. So again, I probably give my clients 1 or 2 sets of these, 3 to 5 repetitions. We're here, hold, and then down. All right. Third progression, or the next progression, is your actual full-out med ball slam. Everything's just full speed. Here we are, athletic stance. Okay, one more time. Full speed. Okay, guys, that's your med ball slam with progressions.